Hello viewers. In this video, we may see how to split the text in, in an array into different columns. In the previous video, we have seen how to join the different text into one cell. In this video, we have see how to split the text in, in different columns. Let, let us see an example. Let us see this is an example. Here, uh, now we shall take this address into different columns. It is that is a street name and town name into different columns. How how can we do it? First, you we have to accommodate some columns. It is insert in a column. Okay, these columns are required to accommodate your split text. Okay, then what's the first step? You go to data. Data. Here, select the column. What you have to split the text. Okay, we are selecting the column. Okay, we are selected. Then go to text to column. Here you have two types. There is one delimited and fixed. First area, you may see what's delimited. Okay, in the selected data, you will find the addresses. You just go to next. Okay, yeah. What are the key delimiters for splitting the text? If you use the comma, the text are split with comma. You do stick the space. The 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 cells and the columns will be split with the space. You may also take another one like this, any other thing. Okay, take full stop. Then the delimiter will be full stop. Now you shall take only comma. You go to next, and finish. Now you find the addresses. This is door number, this field name, then town. These are the example for splitting the text. Then how shall we? Then another method. Okay. In another method. Text, select the cell, what you have to split. Text column. Fixed it. You want door number one. You don't want this thing. Or remove it. And town name. Okay. Next and finish. Okay. In the same way. Text column. Fixed it. You want this. It is first block. Then now we are. You remove this line. Kamahalli main road. Okay. Remove this. And also remove this. Next. Finish. It is. You'll find in the same way. We may split this cell. 14 big. Okay, finish. This is the way to do with fixed. Okay, thank you very much.